So Rapsodo is testing out some cool new features. They're in beta right now, and we got to look at them first. So today, we tried out the target range, but it's a little bit different. Every couple shots, you can choose your setting. It changes the distance so that you're not hitting 30 balls at the same target. It makes you think, it makes you pick your clubs, it helps you know your club distancing. So this is something that I've said about Rapsodo from the beginning, and I'm very happy to work with them and test different things. You have the ability to reach out to them. I've seen it in all the groups. They're talking about different things they want to see, and Rapsodo actually listens. How many companies can say that? Rapsodo has come out with this, and they've also come out with something called Closest to the Pin, which is where you and your friends can come out to your garage wherever you're doing this and play closest to the pin. We're going to try that one later, probably put a video out at some point, but today we're going to go over some of the shots that I had, and you'll see how it changes each time. Now, like I've said before, I love the Rapsodo. It's completely changed my game. I never knew what my numbers were until I started using this. Now I've got basically all my clubs gapped. Obviously, I have to hit them right for it to go like that. Rapsodo has changed the way I golf. It can change the way you golf. Go get one, find someone who has one, try it out, and it's like a miracle. So with this, I've been out here for maybe 20 minutes, a half hour, and I've used 6 different clubs, and you can see my range over there. It's not the most perfect setup in the world, but hey, it works for me. I used my 60 degree, my 56, or 54, sorry. I've used a 7-iron, I have used a 6-iron, and most of them are going the right distance. If I have a bad shot, that's okay, because I can also look back on my computer, on my phone afterwards, go to the session, see the bad shots, and see what I did wrong. That's something that's really changed the way I look at golf, because now, if I know I did something wrong, if my distances aren't right, I can look at the impact vision, and I can look at my actual swing to see all of the mechanics that I had while I was swinging the club on that shot, compare it to other ones, and then come back out here and try it again. It's definitely worth it. You know, it's got the sweat going. I forgot to turn my air on when I came out here today, but that's okay. It's a good thing. It's helping me, and it's making me learn. And one of the big things I noticed with this is when I'm hitting a bad shot, so say I'm putting the ball sky high up in the air, say I'm hitting one where I'm thinning it or getting too fat on it, I can see that with the different features, like we've got attack, angle, and club path. So where I set this up, I know that I'm going to see it, I can see the numbers, and I can also see where I'm hitting the ball. If you want to be a better golfer, you need to do things to learn how to be a better golfer. It's not just going to happen. You need to practice. You don't need to set up like this. You can go to an outdoor range. You can bring a Rapsodo, whatever brand you want to use, but obviously I like Rapsodo. I think it's the best for the money, and they actually listen to you, like I said. Now, you can go to an outdoor range with this thing. You can't do that with some other brands. You're also not spending over $1,000 for this. Or you could go to an indoor simulator, pay some money, use theirs. That's fine too. It'll give you a lot of the same stuff. But in my opinion, the fact that I just got home from work, I walked out to the garage, I set this up, under 5 minutes, I'm swinging, I'm out here sweating 20, 30 minutes, and I know with my wedges and some of my irons, I'm hitting to where I should be, for the most part. Not a lot of people can say that. I don't have a ton of money invested in this whole setup compared to what other people do. Hopefully someday I do. But I am really impressed so far with the target range where you can change your distances, or it does it automatically for you. It's just something to help get you thinking. A lot of times you come out here and you're just swinging, same club. You don't put down the driver. I had my distances set from anywhere 75 yards to 170 yards, so that it forced me to stay in that area where I know I have the most trouble. Driver's driver, it's got its own issues, but if I'm hitting it well, I know where it's going. Inside that area, that's where I really need to focus my gapping so that my approach shots to get onto the green can be on target. What I noticed today is my distances are pretty good. I need to work on my aim. So that's something that I'm going to work with definitely this winter, but even leading up to that, until I can get comfortable knowing where I'm hitting the ball. Like I said, distance-wise I'm good, but I need to work on the rest of it. So if you haven't yet, go ahead and look at the Rapsodo. See what you think about it, see the reviews. You're going to see mixed things. You're going to see some people that aren't happy with it, they're trying to sell it, whatever. To me, it's a great device. You do have to set it up correctly, which has become very simple in recent updates. If you set it up right, and you have a setup that works with it, you want to make sure metal, concrete, that kind of stuff is blocked. You can hit into a net, you can hit indoors, you can hit outdoors, you can hit into a screen like this. You can go to the driving range and use it there. To me, it is a game changer, along with a bunch of the other tools that I have, which I'm going to do a video on in the coming weeks, to show you the different things I've used to train me. I wanted this to be a quick video. It's going to be a quick video. I'll throw some shots up there of the different hits and you can see it changing around. To me, the Rapsodo is worth it. I love the fact that this company continually puts stuff out there to make their product better, and they're not charging you more for it. If you get the device, you get the free trial, then you can do annual or lifetime subscription. To me, the lifetime's worth it. I'm going for that once this one's up this winter, and we'll see where we can get to next spring. Like you all know, I'm Doug with Golf Reboot. Didn't golf for over a decade. I'm working to get to be a scratch golfer, which I never have been in the past. And the reason that I'm able to do that, or the reason I'm getting closer to that, is because of Rapsodo and the support they have for their users. So if you have any questions, comment down below. Let me know what you think. Let me know if you're thinking about the Rapsodo. If you're interested, go to golfreboot.com/brands. You can click the Rapsodo link, and you can go to our page where we get some credits towards free stuff if you buy anything there. So check it out. Like I said, if you have any questions, reach out to us or comment down below. You can also join our online newsletter. Links in the description. Go to golfreboot.com/tips. Put your email in. You'll get tips and tricks sent out. You'll see different things we're using, and we'll share some videos with you. I hope you all appreciate this video, and we'll see you next time.